The School of Cardistry V4s. Featuring a wraparound tuck design, the latest entry into our most popular series of playing cards features our new take on the Beyond Borders back design. With spirals that echo beyond the cards, the use of the Pantone color of the year ultraviolet and its split complementary color orange brings vibrance and life to your cardistry. Spiraling lines enchant your audience and grip their attention. Spins have never looked quite as mesmerizing. Card shots have never looked this hypnotic. With the School of Cardistry V4s, even the simplest moves look breathtaking. The recurring lines created by the spirals on the backs of the cards create the ultimate performance piece. Even the smallest dribbles and springs gain the ability to create stunning effects in your audience's eyes. And perfectly angled spirals make attaining beautiful fans a breeze. The School of Cardistry V4s are available today on thenewdeckorder.com.